In 216 BC, Rome assembled one of the largest armies in its history, around 80,000 men. Hannibal had fewer, but numbers were about to become a weapon against the Romans themselves. The armies moved. The Roman center advanced, and Hannibal's center began to retreat. Slowly, then further. The Romans saw the Carthaginians giving ground. They pushed forward.
More Roman soldiers entered the battle. The formation became increasingly compressed. The Romans believed they were winning, but the retreat was not a collapse. It was a design.
The Carthaginian center bent inward. The Roman army pushed deeper. Then, the African infantry on the wings turned inward. The Roman flanks disappeared behind walls of infantry. Then, the cavalry attacked from behind. The trap closed. The largest Roman army on the field had become a prison. By sunset, tens of thousands were dead. Cannae was one of the greatest battlefield victories in ancient history. Hannibal had reached the summit of his power.